So this is Compass being started up, the editor where you can put together factory layout. I have the scene already saved as a prefab, so you can just drag it into the scene and the whole thing will build up. So it's just like a basic scenario with a couple of conveyors, machines, agents, and storage objects. Here on the left you can see like a hierarchy of the scene, how everything's organized. You can also select stuff there. And at the bottom part you can now see a selection of objects that I put into the editor. You can just drag them into the scene and assemble the factory layout or virtual model of a factory that way. And on the right there's the properties view where you can edit data and the behavior of objects. This is now already in Unity. Upon startup it will import the scene that was created in Compass. And when the simulation will start right now, will see how material is getting created at sources that have been defined in Compass, and you can see the material being transported on the conveyors, and the workers will start fulfilling their tasks as it has been defined for them in Compass. Now you can also see the visual hints that will show where problems are. So you can see there's a malfunction occurring right now where the red colored agent is repairing it, and the yellow signs show that there are blocked objects, that material cannot be forwarded at the moment. There are also robotic agents, but basically it's just another 3D model. It's more or less the same implementation for these guys. As you can see, they are sorting material based on what it is, and as I said, all of this has been defined in the rules. So here we have an agent who's like working at a workbench. He's like producing parts there, and the robot is supplying him with material input. And right now in the middle you can see that there's like a bottleneck where the whole thing is kind of blocked, and these are like the things that you can identify with the simulations. So here the simulation has been reset, and in between simulations it's possible to change stuff in Compass, so you can rearrange objects, rotate them, move them around, and you can also change the properties of things. So you can change the speed of a conveyor, for instance, or the speed of the robot, or processing times, all of these things. And then back in Unity, without having to restart the application, these changes will carry over. And as you can see, the conveyors now transporting stuff faster, and the agents are automatically factoring in the new positions of objects, so there's no need to manually interfere with that. And you can also move stuff around in Unity. As you can see here, you can rotate and move objects, and the agents will immediately in real time react to these changes and adapt to the new situation and move to the new places.